Hi, how can I help you?
I need a pedicure.
Pedicure?
Pedicure.
Regular or gel?
Why are you yelling?
Regular or gel?
Gel?
Come on. Come in.
You're yelling again.
Come in.
Oh. Yes?
Adoma.
What?
Oh, no. I say you look very pretty and clean.
Thank you.
No, ma. You want...
What? I can't hear you.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you were yelling
You
at
want
me.
massage? You want massage?
What?
Massage. Massage?
Um.
Massage.
Yes, please. Massage.
Yeah. Hard or soft? Hard or soft?
What about in the middle?
No. Hard?
I'll take it
Soft.
hard.
You like hard?
I like hard.
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 All the way up?
All the way up. Dear.
No.
And deep.
No. Andy?
Let's do it.
$5, okay?
$5 more or $5?
Of course $5 more, bitch. $5?
$5. Fine.
For hard.
For hard.
Okay.
Do it.
Okay.